Hello, Forex traders. Lenka Taylor here from FX to Freedom. And today I want to talk about the market direction and confirmation. So, how do you decide on the direction of your currency pair and a way to confirm your visual identification of the direction? So, first of all, I like to use my eyes and my brain. So when I look at a chart, for example, here I have the AUD USD, I look at what is the direction of the trend for this currency pair over the last, say, 6 months. Okay, so on this chart, I can see that the overall direction so far is down because the price action moves downwards for longer periods of time than the upward. The upwards are shorter. Now, if I zoom out onto this chart, I can see that the direction has been going down for quite some time. Okay. So what we want to see on a chart, we want to see longer areas of going down and shorter of going up if it is a downtrend. Okay. So that's our visual inspection of the chart. So if we look at the technical indicators and the indicators for trend, there are quite a few. So you can choose any of those or a combination of those, but keep in mind that you want to keep your chart as clean as possible so that you can then clearly see your price action setups for entry. So in my case, I use the moving average to confirm my visual inspection of the trend. So if I go to a moving average, you can select 200 and it's going down. That means that the overall trend is going down. I like to overlay mine with also the moving average of 100. So if I select 100, I change the color to red. So as long as moving average 100, the red one, is below the 200 average, then I would consider that as a downtrend as well, and that would be my confirmation of the visual inspection. So having a look in the past, for example, can you see that it is quite a good confirmation of the trend? So here we have that first cross of the red going below the gold, and we have quite a long downtrend there until it crosses here. We have our short uptrend and then crosses here again for quite a long downtrend. So during the downtrends, you would only be looking to sell the currency pair because the direction going down has longer movements, and that's where the profits are. So then we have here where it crosses up. There was a period where it was going up. And then we have another cross here, and the currency was going down. Okay, so that's our visual inspection. But for our trend and for our decision about whether or not to enter a trade, we only really need about the last 6 months worth of data because that's the most relevant to us right now. I'm just showing you how it works over a longer period of time as well, just to confirm. So we want to keep our charts clean so we can still see our price action for entry. We want to look at the overall of maybe 6 months worth of time using 1 or 2 technical indicators to confirm our visual inspection. and to confirm the direction of the trend for the currency pair. Thank you very much for watching. Have a tremendous trading day.